Hey and welcome to Crafting with Ellis. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a simple dream catcher. I'm using a metal bracelet and some pink cord. You need about 100 centimeters of cord for this bracelet. Okay, first thing we need to do is just make a knot at the top of the bracelet. There we go. And I like to work this way around, so over the top and through, and then just pull it. About that distance away. We'll do the same over here. About there. Try and make it symmetrical. When we get to the top, do the same over, through, over, and then go through both of them. Making it nice and secure. Not as symmetrical as I would like, but that's good. Okay, and now we just carry on, just looping over. Okay, and when you get to about the middle, about here, just need to make a little knot. Tidy that up. Okay, there we have it, a nice simple little dream catcher. So if you liked today's video, please give me a thumbs up, and wherever you are, happy crafting.